In this video, I'll show you how you can publish your GitHub repository to the world essentially. So once you've created your repository, you've dragged in the files. So mine are files for a to-do list website. Once you've dragged them in and all the files are ready to go, you can share the code with other people, but that isn't essentially going to share a working version of your project to other people, right? To do this, we need to follow this following method. So first, once you've got all your files in, go to settings. And then inside of settings, you want to make sure that the default branch is on main. Then go to pages in the bottom left-hand corner of code and automation. And from here, make sure you're selected deploy from a branch, but you need to change the branch and actually let GitHub know what branch you want to deploy from. So click on none, and there probably will be only one option. It'll be main. Click on main and then choose the root, which in most cases will just be root. Then click save, and what it's going to do then is it's going to start deploying your pages. So you can go back now to the code and you'll actually see this in process. So you'll see an orange or a brown circle. Click on it and it's then going to say that it's building and developing pages. Click details. It's then going to show you all of the details of that in action. So this is very simple stuff. We now just have to wait for this to be built and deployed. This will take a while depending on how big your website or files are, so just be patient and wait for this to go through. Okay, so now that is all done, we can actually now go back to settings. You can then go to pages, and once that's done, in pages you then should see the URL of your project, which you can then either click visit site or click on the URL, and then here is your project, which should be deployed to the world, and you can share it with this URL here. If you needed to add a custom domain, I've made many videos on that, you can edit that in the custom domain section. I hope this video helped.